Ryobi's soldering iron has been developed for automotive enthusiasts and keen crafters. This cordless solution attaches to any OnePlus battery, allowing the iron to be slimline and comfortable to hold in your hand like a pencil, making it ideal for fine control and fiddly jobs. It gives nearly 4 hours of runtime and takes just 50 seconds to heat up to 480 degrees Celsius. It's perfect for working in situ on jobs in and around the car, but it's also for craft and jewelry making, repairing product cables, and even hobby electronics. The quick flashing LED warning light indicates when the tool is warming up. The light is constant when it's reached temperature and is ready to be used, and flashes slowly when it's cooling down. And there is an automatic shutoff after 10 minutes, protecting you from accidental burns and the battery from deep discharge. Its flat-based design and wire iron holder mean you can set down the tool without burning yourself or your worktop, and the 83cm cable allows for greater reach and easier maneuverability when working. It comes with a soldering point tip, a chisel tip, and a 100-gram reel of solder, so you can start soldering as soon as you unbox the iron. This soldering iron is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your OnePlus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the OnePlus system of over 100 great tools for your home and garden, this cordless soldering iron will work with any OnePlus battery.